The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. It is the document from which all organs of the government draw power. As a result, all laws passed by the state must conform to the principles enshrined in the Constitution of India. To effectively execute this political scheme, the Constitution of India lays down the powers and duties of the government. It also lays down certain rights of citizens known as the fundamental rights. These rights are held to be inviolable except in certain enumerated grounds known as reasonable restrictions. Other rights apart from the fundamental rights are also laid down by the Constitution. These are often referred to as the constitutional rights. An example of such a right includes the right to vote. Since the fundamental rights are prescribed by the Constitution, they are also a form of constitutional rights. However, fundamental rights are conventionally considered to be the most supreme ones and most sacrosanct of these rights. Because our Constitution lays down all of these in elaborate fashion, the Indian Constitution is widely regarded as the lengthiest constitution in the world. The Preamble to the Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Some scholars refer to our Constitution as a transformative document. It could be argued that an evidence of such a status could be found in this bold declaration which defines Indian nationhood. The Preamble declares India to be a welfare state committed to the ideals of justice, liberty, and equality. A welfare state is a form of government that seeks to provide equality of opportunity, equitable distribution of wealth, and public responsibility for ensuring a dignified life for all its citizens. The opening of the Preamble of the Constitution of India states, "We the people." This signifies the Constitution of India was enacted and adopted by the people of India for the people of India. It also indicates that the ultimate power lies in the people. This is largely true in theory. The Constituent Assembly was the body entrusted with the drafting of the Constitution of India. The members of this body were primarily indirectly elected representatives of provincial assemblies in India. It was the Constituent Assembly of India that adopted the Constitution on behalf of the people of India on 26 November 1949. Subsequently, the Constitution of India entered into force on 26 January 1950, which is now celebrated as a Republic Day. The reasons for this date are historical, but that is for another day.